Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have something really exciting for you, and we are going to be talking about how you can make money with digital artificial intelligence art, that is AI art. I'm going to be giving you 3 ways and exactly how you can make money from it, so don't forget to stay with me till the end. And if you're new to this channel, hi guys, I am Chavi. I create videos about making money online and working from home. So if you haven't already, click on the red icon below and subscribe to my channel, guys. Now let's get started. So before we go ahead and talk about how you can make money with AI art, I'm going to be taking you through AI art tools which can help you create these AI art, because that is what is more important, right? You need to be able to create the AI art for you to be able to sell it. So let's go onto my screen and check out Doll E2. So this is how Dolly looks like once I have signed up. The signing up process is very easy. Just follow the prompt. You can either click on surprise me, put in the description, or upload an image to edit. I'm just going to click on surprise me and see what comes up for a teddy bear shopping for groceries, one line drawing. You have to be more creative, and you have to specify whether you want a one line drawing, a 3D art, a 3D render, oil painting, etc. The more descriptive you are, the more surprising and better your results will be. So I'm going to click on surprise me once more and see what it comes up with for a sunlight indoor lounge area with a pool with clear water and another pool with translucent pastel pink water. So you can see that it has come up with some really good 3D images of a house, a cute tropical fish in an aquarium on a dark blue background. So here the surprise me feature has specified a 3D render and a digital art. So you can see that the results are really fine. Now I'm not going to use surprise me, but I'm going to put in something very basic like digital art using geometric figures with leaves and colors. So these are the kind of abstract arts you will find on home decor websites like Pepperfry or Amazon, etc. So if this is something that is great, the results are great, you can always take a print of it and sell it. So I think all the four are really great, especially the last one. I have seen those kind of paintings on home decor websites selling for 249 rupees, 349, 549, etc. So you can sell that. Let's try an oil painting of Taj Mahal. So you can also create oil paintings and 3D renders of places and sell that. As you can see, the results are lovely, especially the second one. That is definitely something that you can sell. I'm going to try something more creative like a panda on the moon in an astronaut suit. Now I should have given something very specific like a 3D render, but I haven't. So let's just see what comes up. So I'm not very satisfied with this. Looks childish. So I'm going to add 3D render there and see what kind of results come up now. And I think all the four results that have come up are really great and can definitely be sold as digital prints. So this is all about Doll E2. It's a very simple tool in order to create AI art. Just ensure that you're putting in that creativity, you're trying out all the features of Dolly, so you can come up with something which is much more creative than the other people. Okay. The first method of making money with AI art is to sell it on Etsy. Now, if you go onto the Etsy platform, type out digital downloads, you are going to see a lot of simple AI art that is being sold. In fact, if you go to the search and write down AI, you will also get prompts like AI digital downloads, AI art, and all of that. So you can also go look into that and look at the designs that are selling. Now, how do you use Etsy? So I'm going to go over it in brief. So Etsy is not free to use. Each and every time you're going to list one item on Etsy in your shop is going to cost as much as 17 rupees per listing, or 20 cents if you're outside of India and in the US. Now, obviously, the 17 rupees is dependent on the exchange rate that is going on. So it's fluctuating, right? Besides that, you will also be paying Etsy 6.5% of the transaction fee, alongside any money that PayPal is taking from you in the name of processing fee. And the last thing that Etsy might be taking from you is a 15% offsite ad fee. So what Etsy does is run a lot of ads on social media. So you would have seen it on Facebook, Instagram, and all of that, right? So now what happens is whenever a sale happens through those ads that Etsy is running, they will take a percentage of fee for that. That would be 15%. So these are all the fees that you will be paying Etsy. So as you can understand, this is not free and you will have to do some kind of mathematics to ensure that whatever is your selling price on Etsy for your digital download is profitable for you. So after deducting everything from that, after deducting every kind of fees and manufacturing fees and all of that, you are left with a reasonable amount of profit. Most of the payouts are going to happen through PayPal. I'm going to be leaving the link to the seller's handbook of Etsy in the description box below. You can go ahead, read that because it's an extensive document which will help you understand how exactly you can start selling and what are the best practices for selling on Etsy. The second way to make money through AI art is to get on print on demand websites. Now, we have already spoken about what is print on demand. It's a business wherein you create designs and the business, that is the POD, will take care of printing it and selling it and shipping it to the customer. So you don't have to worry about inventory or you don't have to worry about dispatching it to your customer. All that is handled by the POD. If you can come up with some brilliant designs through AI, you can use those designs, upload them on these POD websites, license them out to be used on their products, and each and every time a customer orders your print on any of the products that they have, you will get a royalty for it. Now, that is one of the easiest and the most passive way of making income through POD and AI art, because you're not spending a lot of time creating the art, because if you're smart, AI will do it very fast for you. And once you have uploaded it, you all you have to do is to promote a little bit. The only pro tip for you is that keep creating a lot of AI art and uploading it, because the more designs you have, the more chances you have for the customers to pick your design and you earning money. The two platforms that I could find that are available in India are Quicking and Blink Store. You can go there and start being a part of those POD stores. The last one is to upload a gig on Fiverr. So now there are a lot of people who are already doing this, who are already selling on Etsy, who are already on POD stores. Now these guys also hire out or outsource creation of the AI art. Besides this, there are a lot of businesses who want people to create AI art for different reasons. So there could be bloggers, or there could be people who want AI videos, AI art, AI graphics design for their channels, blogs, websites, etc. There are a lot of reasons why people want someone else to create AI art for them. And you can provide this service on Fiverr. Now you can see it on my screen right now. I've gone on Fiverr, and these are the people who are already offering services to create AI art or AI videos, and I think it's a good amount of money that they are charging. So these are the best ways to make money through AI art. So just to recap, you can sell it on Etsy, you can sell designs on print on demand stores, and finally you can sell services to create AI art for businesses, websites, bloggers, etc. I hope this video helped you out, guys. Please share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't already, please click the red icon below and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next week, guys. Bye bye.